First of all, Tess, I just want to congratulate you on turning 100 today. How does it feel to turn 100 years old?
I thought I was 100 yesterday, but I'm not as today. I had to laugh more. But we had love. And everybody said to me, only this morning, how come you're always so happy and you don't mind? No, I said, I speak up well. No matter what it is, I speak up. I have a very musical ear. I'm a singer as well, and playing the piano all my life now. Yesterday, when it was the thing, I had to thank all the people. And they said, Tess, you're great the way you get up and do that. Well, you might as well. There's nobody else to do it. And it's nice to know, and to know everybody. That's the way I look at it anyway. And be friendly with everybody. Your friendliness is most important with everybody, no matter where you meet them. That's what a friend is, a friend indeed.